Hello, my name is Thomas Durieux from KTH in Sweden. I will present to you our new dataset, Duets, that I created in collaboration with César Soto Valerio and Benoît Baudry. The dataset is composed of reproducible pair of Java libraries and clients. Software engineering research frequently rely on software and their tests for evaluating new approaches. The common use case for the test suite of the software is to be used as specification or as an input example for the software. However, the input space is known as being a partial representation of the input space and therefore could lead to incomplete or invalid results. To reduce this threat, our idea with this dataset is to focus on software libraries and find software clients that use those libraries. This allows us to increase the size of the input space by combining the libraries and the client's test suites. The diversity of usage from the clients bring additional information on the libraries that a new approach can exploit. To create this dataset, we started with a list of 150,000 projects from GitHub. From those projects, we identified the single module Maven project by looking if the project has a single POM file declared in the last commit of the project. Then we created a dependency tree between those projects to identify the libraries and the clients. Note, we consider that the library is a piece of software that has at least one client. For each client usage, we identify which library's version is used. We then identify the commit that declared this release. Once the commit is identified, we build and test the commit 3 times. We follow this step by testing the clients. We discarded all projects that do not have tests or that have at least one failing test case. At the end of this process, we identified 395 libraries and 2,874 associated clients that have all their tests passing. In addition to those pair of library and clients, we provide all the data that we use to build the dataset, such as the list of files and the commit history for the 150,000 projects. Additionally, the repository also contained the scripts that collect the data and build the datasets. We believe that those data and scripts can be reused by the community for future research. To conclude, our dataset, composed of 395 libraries and 2,874 clients, is available on GitHub and Zenodo. If you are interested to learn more about our datasets, please read our paper.